Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a promotional pop-up on Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started with logging into your account. So what you want to do is log into your account where your website is. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, and now we can find the website where we want to create the pop-up for. So I'm going to open up the website by clicking the website button right here, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can now get started with accessing all the options we have, such as website, pages, products, and so on. So guys, this is what we have to do to create a pop-up. Basically, what you want to do is click on the website option right here. So after clicking on website and selecting the pages section, this is now going to open up your pages right here. You can find all the options you can access and your pages, and under utilities you'll see an option that says website tools. So what we want to do is click on website tools right here. After clicking on website tools, it's going to open up all the website tools we can use for Squarespace right here, and one of them is going to be called promotional pop-up. This is what you want to open up. And guys, to do this you will need to have an upgraded account. So after you have upgraded your account and a premium user, you can get started with using the promo options right here. So as you can see, we can go ahead and select if we want to display the pop-up. You can change the layout, you can select how it looks, and this is our preview of how it's going to look. So you have your actions, what you want to use, the content you want to display, and so on. All the options are available right here to get started with making your pop-up and design it how you want. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.